Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Often in class, if I want students to discuss a particular set of questions, I'll often lead into things by getting them to choose one or two questions that they'd like to ask me first. It seems only fair that I answer some questions if they're going to too. Yesterday I tried this with a group of revision questions that we were looking at, and the students took an age to choose anything to ask me. I said, listen, just pick any question you want. I'm happy to answer anything that you ask. And one student replied by saying, yeah, but there are so many good questions, it's impossible to know which ones to choose. Phew, I sighed, I heaved a sigh of relief at this moment and said, phew, maybe that's me off the hook then. If you're off the hook, you've escaped from a difficult situation. So, for example, maybe it's coming up to Christmas and you're worried that you might have to host the entire family for Christmas Day, but then your older brother offers to host everybody. So, you're off the hook. Maybe if you're a student at school, your teacher loses their phone and they're convinced for some reason that you must have stolen it and they accuse you of this, and then they find the phone on the floor under their desk. Obviously they apologise profusely for wrongly accusing you and you are off the hook. Maybe you have a lot of debts. Maybe you've run up some debts on your credit card and you have to go and beg your parents to help you out. Maybe your folks end up paying off all your debts and get you off the hook. Or you're let off the hook because they've paid off all your debts. And maybe you tell your partner you're going to be home late because you've got a long, boring meeting that you have to go to at work. And then you get home early and your partner says, hey, well, what happened to you? I thought you had this meeting. Yeah, luckily it got cancelled, so we were off the hook. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use off the hook.